if you are wondering if you need to buy a charger or power adapter for POCO F8 Ultra, then the answer is both yes and no. It actually depends where you live, because in, for example, many European countries, power adapters are no longer included for some time now, and this includes POCO F8 Ultra. So in this case, if you take a look at the back of the box, you will probably find this graphic information, which of course indicates that the power adapter is not included. So if you wish to have a dedicated power adapter for your POCO F8 Ultra, then yes, you need to purchase the charger or power adapter. But in many, I believe in many Asian countries, like let's say India, the power adapter is still included, and so in that case you can still find it. So in this case, of course, you don't have to really purchase the power adapter. If you do not get the power adapter with the phone, if you cannot find it inside the box, then you can most likely still use the old power adapter if you have one. If you still have the power adapter that you used for your previous device, then in this case you should still be able to use it with your POCO F8 Ultra. You just might want to take a look at the port, because the original cable is USB-A. I mean, on one side it is USB-A, on the other is USB-C. So in this case, of course, you might need to take a look at the port that you have on the power adapter. But of course, you can still use a different cable as well, and it should work just fine. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.